In this video, we'll see how you can select a niche for your YouTube channel, and we'll see how you can name your YouTube channel in the best way possible. So we'll just hop into ChatGPT and we'll start doing our work. What I'm going to do is I am going to search here about niches. Okay, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT about the different niches of YouTube channel that I can create. Give me 10 trending YouTube niches. So basically I want ChatGPT to give me 10 trending YouTube niches that I can do. Okay, so here are the 10 niches, but you can go here, you can ask for 100 niches and ChatGPT will provide you with the 100 top niches that you can use on YouTube. So you can see over here there are a lot of different things that you can do, and you can select any of these. So if you want to go with beauty and fashion, just select this as your niche and paste your channel around that. So the one thing that I've noticed is the most revenue that YouTubers generate is of finance and investing videos. So we're gonna go and we select the finance and investing. I'll just copy this. So the next thing is I want to name it. So what will be the name of our YouTube channel? We can ask ChatGPT to create a name for us. Give me 10 name suggestions on finance and investing. So I'm going to go here and add YouTube. So give me 10 YouTube name suggestions for finance and investing. So here we go. We have 10 potential YouTube channel name suggestions like Finance Simplified, Invest Wisely, Wealth Builder, Financial Freedom, Investopedia, so Finance 101. So you can select any of these and you are done with your branding. The next step is to create a logo for our brand. So in this next video, you can select any of these. I'm gonna go and let's select Investopedia. Okay, in the next video we'll see how we can create a logo for our brand and we can add that logo to YouTube as well.